Hi students, I'm going to go through your assignment 19.4. A couple of different things. Amanda did a great job explaining the encoder. We need to go to APC Finder. Okay, and advanced coding we'll use the DRG Finder. So the only thing that has probably changed is that the password is now AHEMA #77, and I have that in the announcement. So we have a female age 60 for number 1. We're going to do the first one all the time. The primary diagnosis on this one is K42.9. Okay, so with that we have our primary diagnosis, and then we are going to go to the procedure. We're going to go with 49585. This gives us what we need. So with this, our APC is the 05341. The total reimbursement for this one is 3507.80. So once we figure that out, and then you can go ahead and use, bring it in the book to find your diagnosis, or if we want to go ahead and cancel, and we're going to go next patient. And the next patient is a 55-year-old male. So we're going to put that in. We have APC Finder again. Continue. Once again, with our diagnosis here, hematuria is going to be the primary code. We're going to go R31.9. So after that, we're then going to add a procedure. The procedure itself is going to be 5200. So with that, once again here, we have the APC 05372. Total cost $627.85. You'll see the different status indicators. So if anybody has a question on this assignment, please contact me. It actually is pretty straightforward, but the only problem is if you're not understanding the encoder now, you're going to have difficulty in other classes. So again, just let me know.